Banana must be clubbing. Ibu apa? Falabi, Xiaomi.
What do you wanna say to Mark?
Congratulations,
Ate, message in this.
Congratulations, we are so proud of you. You made it.
Okay.
Congratulations, Mark.
How about you? Say
Congratulations,
hi.
Kuya Mark.
Say hi, Kuya. Okay, fine. Bye. I forgot his name again. Yeah. I know we got the other one, the pink one for Gab, because she graduated also. Need to tie my shoes. Congrats also! Hello! Wow!
Say congratulations, ate. Congratulations.
Hi! Mark! Congrats! Congrats!
Your flowers.
Congrats! Wow! Oh, he wants to hold you. Carry daw. Okay. Never mind. Hug mo si ano. Hug mo. Hug.
New Balance ka pa dyan, ha?
Ready na siya.
Wow!
Ayun na! Hindi niya tinatanggal.
Iwan na ano na rin.
Cute! Bye-bye! Elias, what's this? Kiss Kiss Shark.
Yabang na. Yabang naman.
A is for?
B is for?
C is for? D is for? E is for? And F is for?
Yay!
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
Graduated.
What do you want to say to yourself?
Congrats.
What do you want to say to yourself?
Thank you to my school, very lovely. Thank you for all the support.
What do you want to say to Gab?
Good job.
What do you want to say?
Finished 2 degrees and I finished 1 lang. For 6 years.
What do you want to say to Mark?
It took you long enough.
That's so cute! Look at your promise.
Cute naman. So pretty. Thank you. Big eyes. Okay, pa-cute, pa-cute. Pa-cute, pa-cute, pa-cute. Pa-cute ka din, pa-cute.
Helios!
That's why you guys are listening to
Is it heavy?
No, no, it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay, don't worry. We got you. See if you can do it. See if you can do it.
Elias, where are you? Ano? Who's this?
Down.
That's not a dog, that's a bear.
There.
Walit siya muna.
No, don't care about me.
What's your name?
Nandun siya girl kanina binigay niya.
Yay!
Pag kumahari siya, yung mapapangakas siya. Napapanga ka talaga siya. Akala niya kasi, tatamaan siya. Akala niya tatamaan siya. Yay! Good job! Again, again, again.